get Sergeant Salas's car done. And yeah, we may just go out downtown a little bit. Taking the wife with me today. So first thing we gotta do is a cold start. Crazy dogs and my lovely wife. What are you doing, Zeus? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Being bad? What is Sweeties? What is Sweeties? What is Sweeties? Sweeties being bad too? She's just bad. Just start all kind of stuff. What's she starting? Since Zeus is too bad, he had to be on a leash. You think he's 6'9", 285. I told you about pissing everywhere. I tell you about pissing everywhere. Yeah, and all this yellow dust, man. It's like bad. Came out today. Just washed the car last night. And it's like, it's just yellow dust everywhere. I mean, I just sit right here. If you look, well, you probably won't be able to see it here. But it's yellow dust everywhere. Nothing you can do about it. Good morning. So, we're here. Oh, nice. Oh, you did?
Oh, yeah, yellow.
Oh, look at his work. Yeah. Then send it to me and then I'll be able to put it up. You send it to me? So today is Mustang Day. So where my chingo? He's gonna do the he wants the doors done. Damn, dude, you didn't have to buy that.
No, that one's nasty.
Oh, all right,
yeah.
because it said all he had to do is tuck that one in like he's gonna do mine. Yeah.
Okay.
And mine, just repair. Only this one. Mine only repair. Repair. This other side is okay.
Oh, okay.
It's here.
Mm-hmm.
It's inside. Yeah. Oh man. So they're going to work. But this is what they're doing, man. So they're gonna take the whole internal out, and they're gonna put that new stuff that. Yep, you're gonna put the new ones in. And then he's gonna show you the video of the seats that he did for Camaro. Oh man, he was showing me when I first came in.
They do seats here?
That's what I just showed you on that wall up there. They do everything.
If that's the case, you do my seats.
Yep. All right. So let me show you, man. Oh, all
That's
that.
the actual seat. They
All that.
Okay.
And then they also put Alcantara in the center.
Yeah.
They put the Alcantara in the center. They do all that stuff, like my shift boot, and they cover everything, and they do carbon fiber also. Yeah. Okay, this is the before. Yeah. Before.
Yeah.
And then we will show you the after. The master at work. Super Chingo. Yep. Good work, man. Really good work. Now he's getting all the air bubbles out of it. Yes, sir. So he's getting the air bubbles out of it. It looks good, man, and it does match. It looks better than
The stock.
the stock like I got in mine. It's real good. So how much dirt you get out of the damn filter?
I mean, the inside is clean. The outside it still needs that.
Yeah,
cleaning
the
kit,
mm-hmm.
that oil stuff. Fall out from the middle too.
Yeah, that's probably what I didn't see in mine. Yeah, it's nice. A lot nicer. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's getting the glue part off. Good work. Super. Excellent. Number one.
Thank you.
Mr. Number One. Yeah, dude, that just looks so much better.
Yeah.
Because it matches now. Yeah, it came off real easy. Without tearing, so the master at work again. We're finished, man. Sergeant Salas got his car done, and
Came out nice.
we're gonna call it a day. Oh! Thank you. And always good. Machingo. Thank you very much. Okay? Bye.